Uh, I don't know. Maybe because I've been getting quite a number of people who are, getting jobs or preparing for final interviews, or I'm making their resumes or their personal brand or whatever. The frequency, the number of people has slightly increased this last 2 weeks. So now, I'm very happy on one side that there are these successful candidates who got well-paying jobs, or forget well-paying jobs, at least got a job. Okay, some of them are, you feel a sense of happiness. Like I shared, no, these people got jobs and their letter, I just keep their names, identity censored. So fine, you feel happy. Okay, but where you scratch your head is when you have idiots. I'll give you an example so that you understand what I mean. I'm not talking of the ones who got jobs. I'm talking of the ones who are struggling. Now, this guy was referred by somebody else who I helped in terms of a job. I helped in a job means I provided a service. It worked very well. The guy was very happy with his profile. Fine. So he referred somebody else. Now, when normally a person refers someone else, I'm a little soft with them, and because it's through a client. This guy, senior guy, he's been unemployed for now 6 months. Okay, at a senior level post and all that, and because of he couldn't stay in the Middle East, he was sent back home to India. Now this guy, obviously senior guy, senior in age also, has never thought of doing his CV. So I looked at it, I told, you need to change whatever. So obviously he asked me what is my rates. I told him, this is what my rates are. But since you come through a reference, this is what I can do for you best. So the guy then later on told, no, I think this is way too high, way above my budget. I said, it's fine. You don't have to bother. So then he started asking, okay, where can I get free resumes? Where can I get free content? It was only because he was through a reference. I entertained this request and I told him, you can check these websites, Freelancer, Fiverr, Fiverr, all these websites where you can get resumes for even $5. In fact, you can go to some websites, just type free resume templates or free resume this thing. They'll do it for you for free. However, when something is for free, that's the value of that service. So then after all that, I just asked him one question. The question I asked him was, fine, you're going to do all this for free, you're going to take a free resume template, you do not know what to change, fine. I asked him upfront, what makes you so sure that 6 months things didn't work out, it's going to work out now? So his answer was hope. So I said, sorry? He said, hope. I have hope, I have faith. I was like, okay, to understand, you have faith that you'll get a job, you believe, and you have hope that yes, there is a job waiting for you. He said yes. The thing is, I didn't want to say anything, so I was like, fine, all the best, whatever. Now, the reason I didn't want to speak to him is because he has this belief that God has special plans for him, that he has faith that he has been a good man, he'll get a job, and he has hope that somewhere, there is a job waiting for him. Now, I'm not against hope, faith, and God and all that, but what I want you to understand, this is not because I'm an atheist. What I want you to keep in mind is hope is not a strategy. Sitting in the house, let's say COVID lockdown, and you sit in the house and you don't go out and you're not working, can you hope that money will come in? Can you hope that magically you'll get employed? Can you have faith that this COVID will vanish and things will be amazing again? Now, given these three statements, you'll say, Loy, that is not common sense. then what is this? Have hope, have faith. Yeah. And what surprised me was, for a man who has occupied such high positions, I know he's legit because he obviously came from a legit customer as a reference. How do you expect to get a job with hope? I have faith. Fine, if you changed the way you're marketing, changed the way you're sending emails, just blindly sending emails through Monster, Indeed, Naukri, Gulf Jobs, sending non-stop. For 6 months he has been sending emails, maybe 50, maybe 100. They believe that will help them. I don't know what to say. It's like I'm hoping to qualify for the Olympics by doing push-ups and exercise by myself. I have faith. You see how ridiculous that sounds? In fact, I give people an example, but I didn't want to give him. If your daughter or your son had an accident and they are bleeding, hemorrhaging on the road, are you going to hope that some magic will happen? Are you going to have faith that they will get magically healed? Or will you take action? Will you immediately try to find a doctor or get an ambulance or try to sort things out? Or would you go to YouTube and check accident, what to do next? Oh, let me check a free article. Or let me find the cheapest doctor, who can give me a discount. That's one thing I don't understand. And another thing which I still can't wrap my head around. How can you expect to get something worthwhile for free online? That's number one. How can you expect to get something worthwhile? You'll get plenty of advice, get plenty of suggestion, plenty of generic advice. But do you think that this generic advice is going to help you? That's number one. Number two is, it has taken you years of not only studying, but physically learning, physically working to be an expert in your industry. Now, if a college kid just graduated and said, okay, you're a senior technical director or a technical engineer or engineering manager or engineering director, I'll watch a couple of YouTube videos, read a couple of articles, and I would like to apply for that position. You know how stupid and silly that sounds? In fact, the coaching programs which are there, will make you an entrepreneur, 7-figure income. I ask people a simple question. Okay, this guy is offering a course. Okay, within 2 months, you'll be a professional entrepreneur or successful businessman. Do you think you can become a professional golfer in 2 months and play in the PGA? Do you think you can be a professional NBA superstar? Do you think you can race Usain Bolt? Do you think that, what do you call that? You can become a doctor by just reading a couple of articles or listening to podcasts? No, you'll say no. So when all this, what I mentioned, takes years and years of education and practice, you expect to learn how to market and sell yourself by just reading. That means what I'm doing, which has taken 20 years, you're going to master that by reading a few articles and watching a few videos. So what you're doing for 20 years, that takes years and years of dedication, hard work, expertise, experience, and you're charging a premium for your salary. But for what I'm doing 20 years, you want it for free, or you want it for less than the price of a burger, and you're expecting a salary of big 5-figure, 6-figure income. Okay, all the best. It's like, when they get paid money, they want to get paid the highest. But when they want to pay for a service, they want to pay the lowest. And then they wonder why life is not fair. Anyway, guys, just wanted to let this, it was really bugging me. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I think I'm meeting too many idiots nowadays. All right, you guys take care.